Hi, this video is all about my midterms performance task on music, and I will be singing my favorite OPM song. And now, let's get started. Oras ng sambahin ang ngalan mo, para mabuhay habang buhay sa puso't isipan mo. Sino ba ako para mapansin mo? Mga dalangin ko sa'yo, sana'y pakinggan mo. Paano ba ako magiging santo para makasama kita dyan sa tabi ng trono mo? Ilan pang pagsubok ang daranan ko, bago ako makaranas ng mga milagro mo. Oh, ang langit ay nandito lamang pala sa lupa, at ang impyerno ay nasa isipan ko at pinalimot ng iyong ganda. Umaawit ang mga anghel, umaawit ang mga anghel. Nagdiriwang sila na magkasama kita, huwag ka sanang mawawala. Oh, 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 oh. Mamamatay akong nakangiti kapag ikaw ang nasa aking tabi. Mabubuhay akong nagsisisi kapag sa araw hindi kita mapapangiti. Kalapastangan ng di ka ibigin, kalokohan ng di ka isipin. Kung ang mundo ay biglang gugunawin, ikaw ang una kong hahanapin. Ooh, ooh. Now I will be answering the questions. For part A, why did I choose this song? Now I'll be answering it from what I wrote in my head. Now, why I chose Kalapastangan? Because of its deep and powerful meaning. The song suggests that not loving someone feels like committing a sin. The word Kalapastangan itself means disrespect or wrongdoing, and In the song, it is used to describe the feeling of not loving or not thinking about someone as something morally wrong. This shows how intense and sacred the emotion is. Love in the song is not simple or ordinary. It is portrayed as something so important that ignoring it feels like betraying a higher truth. What makes the meaning even deeper is how love is compared to something spiritual or holy. It's as if the person being loved is placed on a pedestal, almost worshipped. The singer expresses that not loving that person would feel unnatural, empty, or even sinful. This reflects a kind of devotion that goes beyond normal affection. It becomes emotional surrender. I chose this song because it captures how powerful can love be. It shows that love can control your thoughts, shape your emotions, and make you feel that life without that person would be incomplete. The message is intense, poetic, and relatable, especially for anyone who has experienced deep admiration or longing for someone. So for part B, what is my favorite part of the song? So my favorite part of Kalapastangan is where the singer sang Kalapastangan ang hindi ka ibigin. It expresses that not loving someone feels like a sin or a form of disrespect. That part is powerful because it clearly shows depth of emotion the singer feels. The idea that love is so important that ignoring it would be kalapastangan makes the message intense and meaningful. It captures the main theme of devotion and overwhelming feelings. So for part C, how do I relate myself in the song? I relate to the song because there are moments in life when feelings for someone become so strong that they occupy your thoughts constantly. It reflects how love can feel sacred and irreplaceable. I can relate to that idea of valuing someone so much that not caring for them would feel wrong. The song reminds me how powerful emotion can shape the way we think and act, especially when we truly admire or so deeply care about someone.